In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Olymp trading app. So this is going to be a step-by-step guide that is going to show you everything that you need to know in order for you to start using and trading on the Olymp trading app. So first of all, when you open the Olymp trading app and then you go ahead and log in into your account or create an account, this will take you on the screen that you're looking at right now, which is basically the home page. So right here on this particular screen, this is where you can find the chart. And if you look at the top right there, where it says US dollar account, if you click on this arrow here, this is actually the account section where you can see your accounts. You can see all of your accounts, including your crypto accounts. You can see your US dollar account, and you can also create a demo account right here on this particular section. If you want to use a demo account, you just need to click on demo account right here. And then we have our US dollar account, which is basically our main account. This is the same account that you can use to deposit and to withdraw your funds. So on this account right here, if you want to deposit, you can just click right here where it says deposit, which is actually in green. This is the button that you use to deposit into your account. So once you click on deposit, this will take you to the next page where you're going to be provided with different payment methods that you can use to deposit into your account. So if I drag this to the bottom here, if you click on the icon, which is sort of like a wallet icon on the right here, this is going to show you the payment section. So here on the payment section, we also have the deposit option. We also have the withdraw option right here and the internal transfer option, where you can actually transfer from one account to another on your Olymp Trade accounts right here. And you also have an option to see your transaction history by clicking on transaction, which is on the bottom right here. So coming here on the charts here, if you look on the top left corner, we have an area where it says Eurocard OTC. If you click on that particular section like this, this is going to show you the assets section, where you're going to see different assets that are available on the Olymp Trade platform that you can trade. So as you can see right here, we have the first section here which says fixed time. So here on this particular page here, this is where you can see the OTC market or the option market right here. So as you can see, if you scroll down right here, you're going to see all the assets that are right here. Most of them, they are written OTC. So this is where you can find the OTC markets. And if you click on the middle section where it says Forex, this is where you can find different Forex pairs that you can trade as well. And if you click on stocks, here you can find any stock that you want to trade. Take for example, you can find the Alibaba, you can also find PayPal, you can find Tesla, and many more stocks that you may want to trade. So take for example, let's say you want to trade a certain asset. You just need to come on the exact category and then basically look for it by scrolling down right here or by clicking on the search bar here and then basically searching it just like this. Once you search for it, once you find it, just click on it. Once you click on it, this is basically going to add that particular asset on the charts right here, which means that you'll be ready to start trading it. So just on the top right here, next to where we have the Euro US dollar OTC market here, to the right here, if you click on the middle icon to the right here, which is this section here, this is where you can find your indicators on the Olymp trading app. So basically, if you scroll down here, you can find different indicators. And if you click on the second area here from the bottom here on this particular section where it says oscillators, this is where you can find the oscillator indicators. Taking for example, the MACD indicators, the awesome oscillators. This is where you can find all of them right here. So take for example, let's say you want to add an indicator to your chart. What you just need to do basically is to click on the indicator that you want to trade. So you can either come here on indicators or oscillators, depending on the indicator that you want, and then you can just click on it or basically search for the name of the indicator right here on the top. So take an example, let's say you want to add the MACD indicator, just tap on it like this, and this is going to open up the indicator settings. So as you can see here, you can change the settings, you can change your colors and everything. So once you're done, you just need to click on add to chart here. And as you can see, that's basically going to add our indicator right here on the chart. So next to the indicator icon here to the right, which is the last one, if you click on that section, this is going to show you this tab right here on the bottom. So here you can actually find two things. You can find the time frame section, which is the one which is on the top here. This is the section that we can use to change time frame on Olymp Trade mobile trading app. So let's say you want to change or switch to 5-minute time frame. Just click on 5M here, and in instant that's basically going to switch you into the 5-minute time frame, as you can see here. So you can change time frame to any time frame that you want here. And at the bottom here, you can also find the section where you can use to change your chart formation or your chart type. Take for example, at the moment we are on candlesticks, but let's say we want to switch into the bar chart. You can just click on the bar chart here, and as you can see on our chart right here, our candlestick is actually been removed, and now we have the bar chart. So to switch back to candlestick, just click on candlesticks here, and basically that's going to switch you into the candlesticks. So if you come on the bottom right here, this section here on the bottom, this is the section that we're going to be using to buy and sell the market, or to place our trade. So before we place our trade right here, I just want to show you something. I'm just going to quickly switch into my account here, which is my demo account. So now, to open a trade, the first thing that you need to do basically before you set a trade is to determine your trade time. So when we say trade time, we're basically meaning that the amount of time that you want your trade to run for. So take an example, if you click right here, it says 1M right here. Basically, this is the section where you can actually set your trade time. So take an example, let's say I want my trade to run, let's say for 1 minute. I just need to set it on 1 minute. If I want to set it to run for let's say 30 seconds, I can just set it for 30 seconds right here. So now the next thing that you need to do is to set your lot size, or basically the money that you want to risk for that particular trade. So you just need to come here where it says D1 here, and then here this is where you can set the amount that you want to trade with. So take an example, let's say you want to trade with $20. Just type $20 here, and then once you're done, just tap on anywhere on the screen. And once you set those two things, it means that now you are ready to place your trade. So to place your trade, you can use these two buttons right here. So we have this red button, which is basically meaning the sell button, and we have the green button here, which is actually meaning the buy button. So basically, when you're trading options, if you are predicting, let's say the market is going to go down for this specific period of time right here, you just need to click on the red button here like this. And as you can see here on the chart, we now have our trade open right here, and we have this sort of like time which is right here. So basically this is actually showing us the time, right, according to our trade right here. So as you can see, our trade is now in. And let's say we want to buy as well, you just need to click on the green button here, and that's basically going to actually buy the market for you. So when you are buying, you are basically confirming or saying that the market is going to go in the upward direction. So if you come on the bottom here next to terminal, if you click on trades here, this is where you can find your open trades or your running trades. As you can see here,